When we try to work on our own self, or whether it's psychological or it might be due to motivation or whatever it may be, anything that's abstract within us, of course, it's very difficult because you can't take an x-ray of it and say and go, oh, there's your problem.
Can't point to a problem, pinpoint it.
That's right. That's why I tell my patients, Shame I can't take an x-ray, and because people get it. Right? You get an x-ray, the doctor says, look, you see that little dark spot there? We're going to put you under, we're going to cut it out, sew you up, 6 weeks, you're back. And you get that. Yeah. But with psychological stuff, because it's abstract notions, it's hard to...
Can't see it.
No, you can't see it.
Or feel it.
We have to be able to use abstract thought. And so it's hard for some people. And even for psychologists, it's hard. The more you study it, sometimes the harder it becomes, or more complex. There's so much more. So I say... Start with the physical aspects of things. Start with your body. Start with walking. Start with taking care of yourself, brushing your teeth, making your bed.
Yeah.
And getting all the clutter from outside of yourself.
Yeah.
You know, try
things
to
you don't need.
that. No, that's right, because it's good for your brain when you walk into your bedroom, you walk into the kitchen, walk into your house. Things are organised. It's a reflection of your inner self.
Yeah, how you're feeling. Because if you're depressed... Usually, you know, just can't be bothered.
You can't be bothered. And that's why it's a good start. Get rid of the stuff. And you know what? Get someone that's good at that, to a friend, because it's hard to throw out stuff.
Yeah, a friend that's like, just get rid of it, just get rid of it.
Don't even look at it, you know.
Yeah, you're never going to wear that again or whatever.
You're not going to wear that, or, you know, and, you know, people say, oh, I might give it away, or I might sell it, you know what, and you never do, just throw it out.
I've got heaps of stuff, bags and bags of clothes that I've op-shopped for years that I've been going to do the markets.
Just throw it out.
Haven't done the markets yet. I keep saying I'm going to do it.
Just throw it out. And do a big one. Get a council pickup and throw it out, or just leave it at the front. Some people might take it if it's good stuff. But, get it out of your house, get it out of your system.
Yeah. Good idea. We don't have to wait until spring. Spring clean, do we?
No. Do it often. I mean, I've got stuff in the garage that, you know, I keep, you know, from my old days, you know, and this and that.
Do you look at it much?
No. Yeah. They're in a box up in the, you know, I don't know what you call it. It's like the ceiling of the garage. Like no one sees it. And it's, you know, but it's good to know that I've got it. It starts becoming less and less. There's a little box for my band stuff, the music stuff, which I think I can't throw that stuff out. But, you know, eventually someone will.
Yeah, that's right, because people don't usually, you know, we keep things and people don't want, like, after we're gone, they probably won't even want it anyway.
My kids will probably go, oh, that's lovely, and then off you go into the skip bin, you know. And that's fine. There's probably some things they might keep, but, you know, it's your memory. Look, I like it being there. I am probably going to throw it out one day, and I have thrown a lot out. Now it's just one box, and I thought, okay, it's a box.
Not taking up much space.
No, it's not taking up much space, and it's there's other ways of doing it these days digitally. Now, just get it on files, you know, take photos of it, whatever it may be. But the clutter, it's well known, well researched that when we get rid of stuff, it actually makes us feel good. May cause us anxiety at the time.
Not for long?
No, because we're carrying all this stuff with us. Even if
baggage.
It's in the garage, in the ceiling, like my stuff. It's still baggage, you know. That wherever you go, you're taking this stuff mentally in a way. So once you throw it out,
you don't have to think about it anymore.
Especially if it's bad stuff, get rid of it, burn it if you can.
Yeah, that's right.
It's very therapeutic, but it's hard to start. You need to plan it, set a date in the future, maybe get a friend to help you. And just even invest in a skip bin if you've got a lot.
Yeah, true.
And just bang, bang, bang. Once it's out, you feel a lot better. Freer, less to carry. And I always say, you know what, if there's, God forbid, a fire in the garage, I'll go, oh, damn. And then a week later, I wouldn't even remember the stuff I've got there. And
like
I'll survive without it.
That's right.
I'll survive without it. And sure, we get attached to things, and it's not good to be attached to things or to people. It's good to be independent, and we train ourselves to be so, because sure, we some things make our life a little bit easier, but we don't need them to be happy, and that's very important. That difference is important. We want them, but we don't need them.
Yes, recognising that.
It frees you, and you become less frustrated, and towards others also, you become less dependent, and that's also quite an attractive quality for people. It shows confidence, shows self-esteem. You know what? I'll survive without this stuff. And so we have an ideal, like Plato says, you know. There's the ideal world, the world of forms, the ideal form of a tree, the ideal form of a relationship, the ideal form of whatever it may be. Sure, we aim for that. Yeah. When a carpenter makes a table, she may decide to make it in the perfect form of a table, but it's not the perfect table. We know that. It may look perfect. And so, but of course, we have to have our ideals that we aim for. Yeah. But in the real world, it doesn't happen. So we need to be able to adjust to those things. And, you know, getting rid of clutter, getting rid of stuff that we don't need is a huge help, because it helps us get towards that ideal way of living. Yeah. Not perfect, but it's a good start. Yeah, we feel lighter. You feel lighter, and you feel like you don't need stuff. You don't need stuff, and especially in a consumerist world. Yes, we're all in one way or another, focused on these things, or we're convinced that we need these things. And sure, some things are important, and some things just stress you up, you know. Yeah. Like having like a fake Rolex that I have now. Have you got one? I've got one, yeah. It's a really good fake. And so, and sure, you know, you ask for a drink and you lift your hand up for a cocktail, and there's your Rolex, you know, fake Rolex. And sure, those little things add to your life, but do you need them now? You know, it's just, they're aesthetically pleasing, but make sure you make a list and set a date, keep the stuff that you actually need, and then you start again, because life continues, and you'll have more clutter soon. Yes, that's right. Just keep a few things that are your favourites. That's right. Yeah, we'll always have more clutter. Can't get rid of that, all of it, but start. Feels great. Oh, yeah. It's like going into the ocean in winter and just having that quick dip. Yeah. You get caught, and then suddenly you're warm. You're so glad you've done it. You feel great, revitalised. Yeah. Good on you, Carlos. I think we'll talk about clutter, clearing out the clutter in relationships as well a little bit more next week. What do you think? Why not? Yes, it's an important subject matter, because, like I said, it's the start that I do with therapy a lot of time with people. Okay. Sometimes we can't get into the nitty-gritty of the psychological things. So let's start with the things we can do. We can start walking, take care of your body, start getting rid of stuff that's there that you can take, you know, that you can see, get it out, and that's a bloody good start, like they say down in Melbourne. It surely is. And get a friend to help you.